Hi everyone, welcome to demo video of employee time tracker Excel sheet. In this video we will see how this Excel sheet works and how you can use this sheet to save you lots of time by not manually recording total hours worked by your employees. Okay, now first we will type the company name here. Let's say your company name is ABC Company. Now we will type the department here. Let's say I'm typing software department or account department. Okay, here's a week beginning. Uh, as soon as you type the date of the week beginning here, it will auto populate these fields, uh, the date against the days in the week. So let's say I'm checking the Sunday is on 12th November, so I'm putting 12th November. So the formatting of the time is month, day, and then year. So we will type 11. Okay, Sunday is on 12th November, so 11th, uh, 11 is the month, 12th is the date, and then 2023. So you can see the 12th November comes in front of Sunday. So you can see the Sunday is on 12th, then Monday is on 13th. So here the dates are auto populated now against the days of the week. So as soon as you type the date in week beginning, the dates were automatically populated in side column of the days of the week. Okay, now let's say your employee name is David, John, and Costa. You can type up to 25 employees in this Excel sheet, and you can track up to 25 employees at a time. In this Excel sheet, you can use one more Excel sheet to track more employees, or you can extend this also. Okay, after typing the name of the employee, you can just type the they get in and the time they get out, and you can type the hourly rate here, and these column these column and this column will get auto populated. Let's see how this works. Okay, let's say David comes in 10 a.m. and the David gets out on 6 p.m. Okay, you can see as soon as you type times David gets in and the time the David gets out, total hours auto populated as 8 hours. You can see the working time for David on Sunday is 8 hours. Okay, we can set the hourly rate for David. Let's say it's 15 $20 for an hour. Then you can see as soon as you type the hourly rate for David, the total paid due gets automatically calculated in the paid due column. Okay, let's set the hourly rate for John. Let's say it's $15, and for Costa it's $25 for an hour. Okay, now let's say John gets in on 11 a.m. You have to just type the 11 and then a.m. and it will take the time automatically. Now John gets out on, let's say, 8 p.m. Then you can see John works 9 hours here. The John works 9 hours on Sunday, and it's get automatically calculated as soon as you type the John gets in time and the gets out time. So hourly rate is 15, so the paid due is $135 for John for the Sunday. let's say for Costa, let's say Costa comes on 2 p.m. and Costa gets out on 4 p.m. So the Costa works only for 2 hours on Sunday, and the pay rate is $25. So the pay for Costa for the Sunday work is $50. So similarly, you can type for Monday. Let's say David comes on 8 a.m. on Monday and gets out on 2 p.m. 2 p.m. on Sunday. So the combined total hours for David on Sunday and Monday is 14 hours. So uh, the total due for payment for David for working for Sunday and Monday combined is $280, and as per hourly rate of $20. So similarly, you can type for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Let me do it for all the days so you can see. Okay, I'm typing, let's say 9 a.m. for gets in time for Tuesday and 11 a.m. for timeout for David, and for Wednesday it's AM PM scene, so you have to type AM or PM but after typing the time number. Like I'm typing for Wednesday, let's say 1 p.m. and it gets out 3 p.m. on Wednesday. Okay, after this, let's say on Thursday, David gets in at 6 a.m. and gets out at 9 p.m. And on Friday, he gets in 1 p.m. and gets out at 1:30 p.m. And on Saturday, David comes in gets in on 2 p.m. and gets out on 4:30 p.m. Okay, now the total work hours for all the weekdays for David is total 36 hours, and at the hourly rate of $20 per hour for David, which we have set already. So the total due for the week for David is $720. Similarly, you can do for John, Costa, and more employees, and you can set up to for 25 employees. So this is how Excel sheet works. Let me know if you have any question in the comment, and if you want to get this sheet, please check the description, and you will get the sheet